Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Back 40 Feet. And today we're going to talk about seeds. In fact, the next few videos are going to be talking about seeds and seed starting. So my mailbox has been inundated with seed catalogs, which definitely helps to get through the winter as you start thinking about your garden. And because I do start a lot of my plants from seeds, I have a big stash of seeds. And I readily admit I'm a nerd, and I have this seed organizer that I keep all my seeds in. You certainly don't need to be that organized. This is just me. And in here, what I'm doing today is I'm going through my seeds to throw out my expired seeds. Just like things in your refrigerator, seeds do have a shelf life, and most seeds really are really good for about 3 years. And yes, you can try seeds from that are older and still have them sprout. But the reality is that the more time that has gone by, is that you could, even if they do sprout, you could end up with weaker seeds or a less productive plant. The other thing that could happen is that you could get no germination at all, and at which point then you've lost a window of a growing season where you could have planted some fresh seeds. So the majority of seeds, the average storage is about 3 years. So what I'm doing right now is I'm going through any that are more than 3 years old. So I already have out. As a gardener, it's hard to throw out seeds or plants, but just have to let it go. It's okay to throw out seeds. And while I'm doing that, the other thing I'm doing is I'm keeping a list of what I'm throwing out and what I need so that when I'm going through the seed catalogs, if there are seeds of a variety that I really prefer, it will remind me if I already have it or if I need to order more. And the other thing I do that I do keep in my little seed packet here is I keep a small notebook that tells me what varieties and what years I've planted. And at the end of the season, I kind of go back to the notebook and put notes in as to how did the plants do, which different varieties, so then I would be informed for the future. So if you do have seeds, I would encourage you to go through and inventory and throw out your expired seeds in anticipation for the growing season. That's all I have for now, and have a good day.